Hello guys, today we'll see how we can set up an alert in PagerDuty of the services which we are having in AWS. So if we have got any alarm configured in CloudWatch, we can send an alert in PagerDuty. So we'll check out that. For that purpose, I have created a service directory and we'll try to add the CloudWatch alert in this service directory. So this is our incident page. Once we configure it, we should get an alert over here. So let's see it. So if we go it in our service directory, you can go click on integration, click on add integration. So you can search your technology in the search bar, or if you find any like popular services, you can find it over here and you can select that. So we are going to integrate with CloudWatch, so we'll select this and we click on add. So once we click on add, it will show in our integration that we have one integration present. So if we just scroll down, here it gives you a proper guide like how you can integrate the Amazon CloudWatch with PagerDuty, but I'll quickly show you that. So we have got here integration key, integration URL. So we would be integrating with integration URL in CloudWatch. So in CloudWatch I have created one demo queue, and we have got an alarm set up for our demo queue with a threshold of message visible as greater than 5. And for demo purpose I have like messages available total count as 5, so I'll push one more message and we'll try to trigger an alarm in CloudWatch. But before that, so in CloudWatch, we have set up an alarm, and in alarm, if you will see in action, we have got our notification, which will send message to the topic like demo SNS. So if we go to SNS service, you can see topic as demo SNS. So if you want to like check out how we can configure the alert in CloudWatch for a queue, or how we can set up a dead letter queue, you can refer our video for that for more information. So let's quickly see how we can add a PagerDuty integration URL. So as you can see in this topic, there is a subscription section. So just click on create subscription. You will find out the protocol. So what we have to do is there are n number of protocols available. You can select AWS Lambda, Amazon SQS. So in this case for PagerDuty we have to select HTTPS, and in the endpoint just copy this integration URL, and rest of the thing can be left as default, and just click on create service. So it should automatically get verified. If we see here, you can see it has been confirmed, whereas if I talk about another email ID, it is showing as pending confirmation because I'm not confirmed till yet, but it automatically gets confirmed, this PagerDuty one. So we are set with our PagerDuty. Now quickly let's push a message in this queue, send and receive message, testing, sixth message. Let's just send it. So now we can see we have total 6 messages available, and we should get an alarm triggered here for a queue. So let's wait if till the alarm is triggered. So guys, you can see our SQS alert has been triggered for message visible greater than 5 threshold. So now let's see if our SNS has sent this alert to PagerDuty. So we should be able to see that in alert section. Yes, as you can see, we have got an alert of our queue and the alarm which we have set it in CloudWatch. You can see this. If you say, you can see the detail, like when it is triggered, and the detail like whichever is available in AWS CloudWatch console page. That's all, guys. Thank you.